my unknown notes.
Uh-huh.
Can you clarify what you meant and answer the question? I know you asked me if I was using the key.
Yeah, are you using dichotomous logic when you're requesting 2 tests at one time?
Oh, I had to use that test?
I'm sorry?
Oh, you're requiring us to use that test to figure out our unknown?
I don't understand what you're talking about. I'm not requiring you to do anything except for using dichotomous logic.
Okay.
You don't need to use a certain test or something. You do need to use the, let's see if I can show it. The Canvas, the chart of the unknowns that I provided in Canvas. You do need to use that.
Can you do you think you can explain to me how I can integrate the key into my unknown?
Okay, I'm a little confused what you mean by key. Let me show you the only thing you need to use. Can you see my screen? Calvin, can you see my screen?
No, I can't.
All right, let me get that going. All right, now can you see my screen? Calvin, I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sorry. Yeah, I see it.
All right, let's scroll down to week 5.
Okay. All right, my mic is really laggy.
Week 5 lab. So you need to know use the unknown list. And when I open it, let me go ahead there because it'll show better. I'm waiting. Oh, there it is.
I do use this list. Sure.
Yeah, you need to use this list. There's no other thing you need to use. So you should know whether your bacteria is a gram negative, that's the top half of the table, or a gram positive, the bottom half of the table.
So this is the key that you're talking about, like the question?
What key am I talking about? I'm a little confused what you're asking.
Give me a second.
You do need to use the bottom part here telling you how to use it. The main one is that the gram stain. To make the gram stain from a broth, it is easier to transfer cells using a sterile cotton swab rather than a loopful.
Right. According to my notes here, you commented that if I'm using the dichotomous logic.
Dichotomous logic.
Yeah, dichotomous logic.
Do you know what dichotomous logic is?
Not really.
Okay, you should look it up.
All right, yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
And I have to use that.
If you're requesting 2 tests at one time, you're not using dichotomous logic.
I see. That makes sense now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Denise, do you have a question?
Yes, sir. Hi. So, no, I just wanted to make sure that you don't forget to open the test, so we can review it.
Oh, right. You're talking about the quizzes?
The quizzes, yes, sir.
Answers to the quizzes?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do that right after, right now. All right?
And I wanted to double check that. So you say that my number was the same as the 33 number, and I just run the test like that.
Let me take a look. You're asking about one of the tests, and I gave you the wrong number. Is that it?
No. The unknown.
The unknown, yeah, one of the unknowns. Let me look here, and I think you can see my screen, right?
Yep, I can see your screen.
Denise, was it the MR test?
Yep.
All right, did I send the wrong number?
Yeah, and I sent you an email. I know I didn't know
Yeah.
you have other classes, but yeah,
Uh-huh.
my number is 23. So and you send me a message saying that this number and my number were the same results. Is that right?
This looks like I sent you one that says 33. This is supposedly the file I sent you.
Oh,
Anyways, your results were supposed to be MR positive. Okay?
MR positive. Okay, I should write that down. Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Something's wrong here. This is I got my files mixed up. This isn't sodium chloride. This is MR test. I can tell by the color. And it does say MR test, but for some reason I've got sodium chloride. So what I did was I must have sent you a sodium chloride result,
Mm-hmm.
and I started changing it, and I didn't save both files. I apologize for that, but that's not terribly important because hopefully I sent you the right thing. But anyways, yours was MR positive, and if I sent you the wrong number, I apologize. Okay, but the results are correct.
They are correct. Okay, that's all I wanted to know. That can happen. No problem.
Yeah.
So sodium chloride was.
I don't have the results to the sodium chloride. Normally I try to keep both results, so I'd have to go look at the file I sent you because I don't have it here. I usually try to save what I send the students, but obviously
Okay.
I messed up your file there.
Oh, no problem. Hopefully I can rerun it and will make sense. I might send you
No, no,
another.
no, no, no.
email.
It should have been correct if I sent it to you, all right?
Okay, then.
Okay, I just
get it
messed
at-
up the file here, but I can get it again. Let me take a look.
No, I
here.
was just double checking, making sure. That's all.
Okay.
Sounds
All
good.
right. Any other questions?
No, that's it for now. I'm preparing for the big test. That's all.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So let me stop the share and stop.
Because I'm
So,
pretty
like I
sure
said,
that's
when you in your unknown notes, you should explain in just a sentence why you want to run that next test. But in your lab report, it's absolutely required that you explain your logic you're using to identify your unknown.
okay.
Okay?
Yeah, because when I request two different like tests, because I don't know, I feel like
You
I
might
should
have
be
a reason for asking for two different tests. I'm just saying it's not dichotomous logic.
okay. Then I'm probably not using the columnist logic. Because I'm requesting those two tests because I know I can narrow it down to the unknown if I were to use those two tests.
I'm sure it would, but like I said, use dichotomous logic.
Gotcha. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, as what I know, that dichotomous logic is based off of like one test, and after that one test, you ask for another test, right? And it narrows down to that.
It narrows it down further in the second
Gotcha.
test. Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I think I know what it is now. I understand. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
I'll
right.
make sure to add it in my notes explaining my logic.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Volpe.
All right.
Bye bye.
All right. Bye. All right, that's done. Ugh.